Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to withdraw money from your Deel account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about what Deel is. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that helps businesses hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. It's a great tool for businesses that are looking to expand their operations internationally. Now that we know what Deel is, let's get started with the tutorial. Steps to withdraw money from your Deel account. Log in to your Deel account. Click on the Dashboard tab. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Select your withdrawal method. Click on the Submit button. Additional tips. You can withdraw money to your bank account or to your Deel card. The processing time for withdrawals varies depending on the withdrawal method that you choose. You can view your withdrawal history in the Transactions tab. That's all there is to it. Withdrawing money from your Deel account is easy and straightforward. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Deel, please be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching. And that's it for today's video on how to withdraw money from your Deel account. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.